Good morning. Here we are in Sullivan, Alabama. Another coffee morning. It's like 45 degrees out, beautiful weather. As y'all know, we're up from Florida, where we've got little over 6 acres up here that we're working on. We come for a month so that we could get a few projects done. Perfect weather for doing projects. So I just want to show you I've showed you yesterday, the pickle barrel. So here's one that we're working on. We've actually got electric here, but we spent thousands running electric everywhere. So uh, out at the street for a street light, we're going solar. We've got one out there now. We're very happy with it. We've had it for a few years in Florida and here, and it just works great. But look at this one right here. I'll find the price and put it in the comment, but look at that. Comes with nice solar panels. Look at that. This street light's gonna be bad. I think this was like 150 or so. So it's really gonna be a nice addition. We like to have light here, and we like them being remote control. That way we can shut them off. This is actually going to be out by the driveway. Having the lights always handy, so that will make light up good where you can see. There's nobody. I don't believe nobody on our street, which ain't really long. We're the ones with the power. So we're going to just show you a little bit about this, and then I'll do a complete install video. So here this is. That's going to be a bad solar. I'll have to look at the watts to it, the luminous and all, but it's going to be a real nice light. I just wanted to kind of show you another project. We're planning on being here for a month. Our whole plans is to finish up the septic, hooking the laundry room up to the septic. We've got the pipe, we've got it dug, we've got the electrical installed to it. We've buried that line back. We've moved the gas RV that we're going to use for gas back closer to it. We've hooked up the hot water, so we're getting places, but it's a little bit. You got to remember, me and Deb both were 66. We're not spring chickens. So we're doing it as in stages. We're doing it where we can pay for it, not going debt. So that makes a difference. When we finally finish this and get all the gravel in, get all of our outbuildings, get everything done, which will be by this summer, we're going to be 100% debt free. That's our goal. So that's what we're shooting on. That means a lot. We picked up this truck for up here, four-wheel drive, gets us anywhere we want to go, nice and comfortable, like 19 miles to a gallon. So we're getting them all done in little steps. So follow us on the channel, subscribe so you can see it, and leave some comments. We want to hear any of your views. Have you used solar lights? What brand? How did you like it? The one that we have out there, smaller than this one. I've had it for over 3 years. Great. We love it. We just need a little bit more light. We do have some street light, LED street light right here that's super bright. We can flip that off and on when we want to, but it's more in the living area part, in the area that we're setting up. We want the light at the road. We like taking a walk down the road. Plus, coming down the road at night, it's nice all lit up like that. Keeps people away. It's on the gate. Gives us good light for the security cameras. So there's a lot of advantage to it. So follow us, like it, subscribe, share it, leave comments. That's the whole thing about this channel. We want to share what we're doing, how we're doing it. We're not a how-to channel. It's just how we're doing it. So I'm not saying it's the right way, the best way, the easiest way, but follow us along. You can see the mistakes we make, the good things that we do, and then just kind of enjoy Alabama with us a little bit. Weather's beautiful up here. We're northwest Alabama. We've got a beautiful cardinal that's been flying around the last few days, hanging out with us. We had a nice Thanksgiving yesterday. Cooked a ham on the smoker or on the grill. It's great up here. So we're going to try to get some projects done. I'm just showing you a little bit. We do have street lights right there. If you look up there, that's cameras, TV antenna, internet. So we're getting a few little things done. Again, here's back to the camper, the laundry room. So we're trying to get a few things done. Follow us along, join us, like us, subscribe, and leave comments. That's what it's all about. Follow us on Our Truly Blessed Life at YouTube. And y'all have a blessed day. Remember, be kind to everybody. Get out, share joy and happiness, and get rid of the hate in this world. We need more people that just, go back to the old days, the simple time where you enjoy, you help your neighbor, you're there for them, you're being a kind person, you got good thoughts in your head, and just keep all that in mind. Follow us at Our Truly Blessed Life on YouTube, and we'll put up a video when we're installing this and show you how it works. Thank you, and God bless you.